The Treehouse Club. In the middle of Willow Park stood an enormous oak tree. Its branches stretched wide like giant arms, and tucked among them was a wooden treehouse. Every afternoon, a group of friends gathered there. They called themselves the Treehouse Club. They shared snacks, told stories, and worked together on all sorts of adventures. Everyone in the club had a special role. Mia was creative and always had new ideas for games. Ben was brave and loved trying new things. Sofia was thoughtful and solved tricky problems. And Leo was funny and could make anyone laugh. Together, they were the perfect team, ready for anything. One sunny Monday, the friends noticed someone sitting alone on a nearby bench. It was a new girl from school named Ava. She watched the treehouse quietly while drawing in a notebook. Mia looked down from the high branches and wondered if they should say hello. What if she wants to join? Mia asked. The friends climbed down to meet her. Hi, Ava, Mia said. We're the Treehouse Club. Want to come up and see it? Ava looked surprised. Then a small smile appeared on her face. Leo grinned and told her that every great club needs great people. Soon, Ava was helping with every adventure. Then one afternoon, a storm swept through Willow Park. The wind howled and the rain poured down. The next morning, the friends rushed to check on their special place. Oh no, cried Ben. A large branch had fallen onto the roof, and several boards were broken. The headquarters was damaged. For a moment, nobody spoke. Then Mia said, "We'll fix it together." Everyone got to work right away. Sofia made a careful plan and drew a list of what they needed. Mia started thinking of ways to make the roof even better than before. They knew that if they worked as a team, they could do it. The work was hard, but the friends stayed busy. Ben gathered fallen branches that could be used for repairs, and Leo carried supplies up the ladder. Sometimes mistakes happened. Once Ben accidentally dropped a box of nails, and Leo measured a board backward, but they just laughed and helped each other out. The friends discovered that Ava was an amazing artist. While the others hammered and tucked, Ava sketched diagrams showing exactly how the repairs should look. She even found some leftover paint to add a special touch to the walls. Mia watched in awe as Ava turned their treehouse into a work of art. Finally, the repairs were complete. The roof was stronger than before, and the walls were sturdy. Ava had even painted a bright, colorful sign to hang over the door. It read, "The Treehouse Club. Everyone belongs." The friends stepped back to admire their hard work. "It looks amazing," Leo said. As the sun began to set, the friends sat together inside. Ava admitted that she used to feel like she didn't belong, but now she knew she had a place. They realized the treehouse wasn't special because of the wood or the roof. It was special because of the friends inside it.